Hello, I didn't realize it was Father's Day today until somebody wished me a happy Father's Day, so happy Father's Day, everybody. Today I'm thinking of my children. It'd be Jose, Ricardo, Mari, and Jacob, and my grandchildren, Bella, Zach, Thomas, Theo, Ella, Brooklyn, and Eliana. So I love you guys. Today's trip was from the Liard, the Hot Springs, to Whitehorse, about 415 miles. Total to date is 4,150-ish, 4,150 miles from home. Tomorrow I will be going into Alaska. So I'm about 307 or 8 miles from the border. I will be going to T-O-K, Alaska, at about 390 miles. So good day today. A little rainy to start with. Checked the forecast and saw that it was only a small front. So went ahead and started about 7 o'clock local time, and ran out of it in about 45 minutes. Later turned nice and warm. It was high at 71. Today was a pretty light day by comparison. Just a couple of small showers on the way here, and then the one significant shower to start the day. Anyway, we will talk to you from Alaska next. I'm almost there. Exciting. Take care. Bye. This is Signpost Forest. That's what they call it. It's in Watson Lake. It's the Yukon. Holy cow, this is amazing. It spreads forever. Look at all that. This Pflugerville. I wish I could have brought the Idalou, Texas sign with me. I didn't have one handy. Lemoore, California. We lived in Hanford, which is close to Lemoore. How about that, St. Louis? Wow. This thing just stretches out forever. San Luis Obispo, South Lano, Texas.